Here is how to restore the voice chat option if it's missing in Roblox. So first, go ahead and launch your Roblox application on your mobile device and log into your account. So if you go to your Roblox settings by going to more and scrolling down and going to settings, you might notice that the voice chat option is no longer in the privacy and content restrictions under communication. It has been replaced by voice data usage. So to fix this, you need to first leave the Roblox app on your Android, iPhone, or computer, and you need to ensure that microphone access is enabled for Roblox. So go to your device settings and then scroll all the way down and go to apps. From here, simply search for Roblox application. Go ahead and tap on Roblox. And here, you need to go ahead and tap on permissions and make sure that the microphone access is enabled for Roblox. After you've turned on the microphone access, you can also go ahead, tap on storage, clear the cache, and it will fix any bug or issues. Now, once you've done that, you need to return to the Roblox application, and instead of going to general settings, enter a game like Steal a Brain Run. And after the game loads, tap on the Roblox icon in the top left to access the in-game settings, and you'll find the voice chat option there. If it says disconnected, tap on the arrow to connect, and remember that you might need to enable voice chat separately for each game. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.